So I've just realised I have not done a night video driving my car with the DJi Osmo Pocket running. So I believe it's not supposed to be very good in low light, but we'll see what it's like with street lights and a little bit of what's remaining of daylight. So I've just been flying my DJi Mavic Mini 2 drone, and I think I managed to get golden time. Like, we'll see what footage I've got when I get home. But yeah, here's a test of the DJi Osmo Pocket in the dark, or in low light as it were. So as you can probably see on the screen, I've got a feed from the DJi Mimo app, which is obviously running the phone at the moment. I've got the DJI, I keep saying DJI, I've got the expansion pack where it's got the Wi-Fi module now, so that's pretty cool. So you don't have to tether it to the phone, and you know, you can just go about wirelessly now, which is great. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this so far. I can't concentrate on the footage too much, so obviously I've got to watch the road, but it looks like it's, you know, pretty clear. So here's some street lights, guys. Looks like the camera is compensating to me because the sky is not that colour at the moment. It's on. I think it's going to play back and it looked like blue sky, you know, like during the day, and it's more of a grey, sort of dusky colour, you know, when the sun's just about to go fully down. Anyway, guys, so that was a quick test for you. So again, you know, if this is this is a camera you're interested in, yeah, you know, if you're driving, I'll do a proper test when it's pitch black at some point, but you know, if it's dusk, it still runs really great to me. Alright guys, so thanks for watching as always. We'll leave it there. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and if you're enjoying the content, if you could like, it really helps the YouTube algorithm, and consider subscribing again. My aim is to get to 1,000 subscribers. I want to get to 500 subscribers first, so that I can have the community button. That's the most important thing to me next, because I want to be able to communicate more with my viewers and hopefully, you know, get more interaction going. I love chatting to you all, or, you know, if you knew, or any, you know, any existing people, love chatting to you. But and hopefully I can get to 1,000 subscribers at one point. All right, guys. So, oh, there's a cat here with big red eyes. So I'll just come back down the road, see if I can spot this cat. Its eyes are glowing to me because my lights are on it. So I'll see if that comes out on the video, if we can see it at all. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Take Anorak out. See you on the next one. Take care.